Hey vibes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooklyn. This is Vibe with Brooklyn. And on this channel, I get into a ton of beauty, health, skincare, just like all the vibes. So if you want to join the squad, go ahead, click the subscribe button because today we're getting into a special health topic. This has been going around town ever since Beyonce said that she was using ginseng to help her get through her performances during her amazing tour. So I wanted to give you some education on it so that y'all know what y'all getting yourselves into. So I have this bottle of ginseng. It's probably no secret that I'm someone that's going to be using ginseng. I have many health videos on this channel, but I was like, how have I never talked about ginseng? So this is the bottle of ginseng that I use, and I've used several different brands, but I do like this one a lot. This is Ruth. It says organic ginseng vitality liquid extract. So that's one reason why I like this, is because it is a liquid version. It looks like this. So basically ginseng helps with your overall well-being. Funny, I feel like a lot of these herbs do just that, but it really is the truth. It helps give you energy. It keeps you focused. It's also a really good stress reducer. It is no, surprise to me that Beyonce was drinking this before going out on stage. She was probably like most of the time her most calm self because of this, of using ginseng. And once you get it acclimated into your body and your body does get used to it, you'll start to see and feel the effects of it. So of course, again, like I always say, make sure you consult a doctor, physician, just anybody that you're supposed to be talking to about this stuff, because I'm here to just share with you my knowledge and education. I am not here to diagnose you, okay? So ginseng contains antioxidants that help to reduce inflammation. So honestly, that was the main reason I started taking ginseng some time ago. I wanted to reduce any inflammation within my body, and I do notice that it does help with that on top of everything else. This is all about like an overall well-being of life. Like you can't just take this stuff and think like you're going to be fine. You have to make sure you're drinking your water, exercising, putting the right foods into your body. This is additive to help aid in certain things and keeping you healthy. Another thing is that it helps with focus and brain function. So yet again, not surprised that she was on stage, like you need to keep focused. A lot of things are going on. There's a lot of moving parts that she's, probably doing. So for the average everyday person, we need that for just in general. Anyways, I always need to keep focused. So I like to take ginseng in the morning after I've had like a little bite to eat. I just take these liquid drops and I'm good to go. So ginseng can do a number of different things. It can help boost the immune system, help fight tiredness, increase the energy levels, lower your blood sugar. I like this one because it's not just ginseng alone. It has Asian ginseng root, American ginseng root, ashwagandha root, and maca root. So again, it's kind of like killing a bunch of birds with one stone. I love that it has that maca root in it. I love that it has ashwagandha in it. That's going to aid in helping with your stress levels and like being one with yourself and just like the calmness, girl. I always need that. So this is what the bottle looks like. You take one, like you squeeze this once or twice and you just, so simple. I love simple. This is like the easiest thing you can do. It's the liquid version. They have pills. They have the actual ginseng root, ginseng tea. Like there's so many ways to get ginseng, but if you're someone who needs a fast, quick, on the go method that's organic and still good for you, yeah. The taste of it kind of has, this one particularly has kind of like a sweeter taste. It's fine. It's not nasty like a lot of the things I have shared with you guys in the past. I know I share a lot of nasty, healthy things that don't always taste the best, but I promise is good for your system. But this one actually doesn't taste just fine. It's easy to get into your system. So yeah, it's very straightforward. Y'all really have to do y'all separate research and more reading into this stuff, because the power behind these sort of herbal medicines is like, this is like the way of life for me. If I don't have to take American medicine, I ain't gonna take American medicine. Okay, just a note, if you're new to using these things, you may not notice a change super quick. It could take some days, it could take a week, it could take a month. Again, you can't just like be taking this stuff and then going out and like eating McDonald's every day. You're definitely not going to feel a single thing. You need to make sure that you're incorporating a healthy diet. I just cannot stress that enough, because I think some people get confused when there are videos like this out there. I'm not sitting here saying like, take this and all your problems will be done. You can go out and do whatever you want to do. You just take this and it's done. No, I'm not saying, like, literally not at all what I'm saying. It's all encompassing. It is a holistic, healthy lifestyle. So I will be coming with more of these health videos, getting back to my roots and what I love so much. And I love educating in the best way possible. When I learn something, I gift it to you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Go out and get you this ginseng. It will be linked down below. I will also link a couple of other ginseng options that I have used before, because I noticed that y'all actually be buying it and then y'all sell it out. So I love that. And let me know what other health videos you guys want to see. If you have any questions, I will do my best to answer them. So I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video. And yeah, make sure you hit that like button, share the video, okay? And I will catch you guys in my next vibe video. Bye.